Evening, guys. Sunday evening, 6:30. Thought I'd come down the allotment just to get a couple of cabbages, I think, and see how the last of the sweet corn is. It looks like it's dying out now. I don't think there's any big cobs left now, so it might be the case I just let them die down. Oh, a bit in your face there, really, wasn't I? My God, I'm looking at my chin that close up, do you? Right, I'll spin you around. So a couple of cabbages I've just taken out of there. Red cabbages are now starting to heart up. Let's go in here. So a couple of them are starting to hearten up now. Yep, nice solid ball. A couple that one there, don't know what's happened there, but I'll start going out. I've got my own swimming pool in here. So this lot, I've got a couple, they're only small ones in here now. These can stay for a little bit longer. Just waiting for that to die back a little bit now, to be honest. And then that path there can be cleared out as well. So you can actually start seeing the actual labels out the back. These bloody weeds. That's round cabbage, not spring cabbage like I said earlier. Don't know why I said that on the last video. But these are the corn. Not very big, these now. What's left looks like they are, let's shrink you out a little bit. Looks like they're not going to be very big or actually finished. That'll happen then, but you're all steamed up, so I had to put it on pause. I bet they're cleared. Looks like the foxes have been having a bit of a dig. We've been down early to get a couple more chilies, because I'm going to try and make a chili jam. So we're out and about today. I've just bought myself some green manures. So these beds here, that one can say it is because it's still got a little bit of cabble growing, cabble kale. This one can get de-weeded. These can as well. I've got a golf ball, don't know where the hell that's come from. So I don't know who's been playing golf around here, but once I've hit it hard enough. But just noticed something else as well. Are they toilet rolls? Where have they come from? Very bizarre. Golf balls and toilet rolls. How weird's that? I actually reckon these toilet rolls have been brought here by the fox, because there's holes there it's been digging. I presume it's a fox. It went up with that little dog they keep and let it run wild. And it strictly says on here, no dogs to be let loose. It's a golf ball. So there's a couple of tomatoes in here now that can come out as well because they're red. And I think it's going to like a lot of people. It's now just a case of the big tidy up. So let's go to stick them cabbages and we'll come back to you in a minute. It does look like toilet roll tubes. Very bizarre. Right, so the size of them, you only go down to that bit. Obviously bad leaves and the rest of it, but that's okay. Got some older blotty beans. Some are dried out a little bit too much, but I can keep them for seeds like the others. Got some more tomatoes, red chilies for my chili jam that I'm going to have a go at, and toilet rolls in the bed. Bit of a different harvest, I suppose. We got Mr. Robin chirping away again because we got some food down there for him, and he's telling me to shift because he wants it. There's Mr. Robin. So, on that note, I'm going to get going. And thanks for watching this quick clip. I think you might be a bit annoyed when I actually take that bit off there, because I think he loves sitting up there at the top. out of the way of cats and stuff. As you can see, it's now starting to go dark. Bye bye.